Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware compatibility and acquiring an eGPU enclosure. This matters because port bandwidth determines performance. Once you have the enclosure and a supported GPU, power down the laptop, attach the GPU to the enclosure, and secure all cables. Make sure to install the latest BIOS and operating system updates now, and download the correct GPU drivers for your OS before you plug in. These steps reduce troubleshooting time and ensure the system recognizes the new hardware. Once done powering up with the eGPU attached, you must accept any Thunderbolt device authorization prompts. This grants the host access. Then install or update the GPU drivers. Clean installs work best, and reboot if requested. Next, plug your external monitor into the eGPU or set the eGPU as the preferred device for specific applications via the OS or app settings. Make sure to adjust power profiles and fan curves to balance temperature and noise for sustained performance. You finish by validating stability. Run a benchmark or play a demanding game while monitoring temperatures and FPS to confirm expected gains. If the eGPU is not detected, power cycle the enclosure, reconnect cables, try a different Thunderbolt port, and reauthorize the device in the OS. Make sure enclosure firmware and GPU drivers are current. Alternatively, roll back to a previously stable driver if crashes occur. One key troubleshooting tip: check for Thunderbolt security prompts and authorization, because that often blocks recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.